The next menu option of Compare is used to select and plot other stocks along with the existing chart. For example, the current chart is showing KSE 100, and if we want to see how this index has performed against the KSE 30 index, we can select the Compare option that will open a small window asking for a symbol. In this small window there are further two options of Compare and Add Symbol. Type in a symbol that will list the options available, and once selected, the new selection will be plotted on the existing chart along with the previous data. Multiple stocks can be plotted using this option, so you can compare how each stock is behaving with respect to others. The fifth menu option of Indicators includes a vast list of indicators that are used in technical analysis. Left-click on this option, and a drop-down menu displays a list of indicators in alphabetical order. Select your desired indicators, which will be plotted at its respective position on the chart. Once an indicator is plotted, you can edit the parameters for that indicator by either double-clicking on the indicator or moving to top left corner in the window of that indicator and selecting the Settings option. We will enhance your learning on using the charting feature with further tutorials.